So guys, welcome back to IFX Academy's daily analysis on pound USD. Guys, yesterday we were buying this. We both hit our target. We hit both our targets and turned our targets into support and went on further as well. So guys, for today, I expect as long as we are below 1.31966, guys, I expect a correction, and my first target would be very near, and my second target would be, guys, not a change of the bullish trend, just a correction, guys. So as long as we're below 1.31966, guys, I think we will be seeing 1.31565 and 1.311348. And guys, if you break above this, guys, I think our first target is very near, and it would be yesterday's high. That would be 1.32168. Guys, just a correction day, nothing else, nothing more. So wishing you guys the best of luck. Hope you guys make money trading this way, and see you guys tomorrow.